Namaskara Mudra. We often greet to each other in the community of yogis, Namaste, and this is this Namaste Hasta Mudras. Namaskara Mudra. Namaskara, Namaste, it means that my soul bows down to the essence of you. My divine self greets with your divine self. Namaskara. And this mudra has another several names. As long as I know, it has another 2 names, probably more. And another name of this mudra is Anjali Mudra. Anjali is the name of the mother of Yogi Patanjali. We know Patanjali as a father of yoga system, as he is the author of Yoga Sutras. It's known as Patanjali's Yoga Sutras. Patanjali. So Patanjali contains the name of his mother because his mother Anjali was such a dedicated yogini. Her heart was so devotional, and when she prays, she was praying in this Hasta Mudra, so it holds her energy of devotion, dedication, sincerity, humility. So this energy is honored in the name as Anjali Mudra. And another name that I know is Pranam Mudra. Pranam. Pranam means prayer, like pray. I pray. Pranam. So this is the Hasta Mudra for the prayer. So it has 3 names: Namaskara Mudra, Anjali Mudra, and Pranam Mudra. They all means the same thing. We join the 2 hands together, and then 2 hands represent the yang and yin, solar and lunar, sun and moon, so we are uniting the opposites. Most often we draw the hands in front of the heart, and this totally makes sense because our soul lives in the depth of the heart center. And from this deep space of the heart, my divine self greets to your divine self. So often we join the hands together in front of the heart center. And heart is a mysterious place. It is the 3 chakras above and 3 chakras below. This is the center energy of the polarity between the earth and sky, between the form and consciousness as well. So it totally makes sense. Our psyche so knows already, without studying the scriptures or anything, that we bring the hands together in front of the heart. And sincerely, I pray, I greet to the divinity all around me. It doesn't have to be always in front of the heart either. It can be in front of the 3rd eye. It can be above the head. It can be offered to the earth in this way. So we bring this sincerity of offering, honoring, humility, prayer, devotion by joining the hands together. I invite you to join the hands together in front of your heart center. Close your eyes to tune in to the roots of your heart. Connect with your inner prayer. How you'd like to show up every moment. How you'd like to respond to every situation that can come to you in every moment. How would you like to continue to hold the state of consciousness? Connect with your inner prayer for your divine self as a soul, as a consciousness. It might be our feelings, it might be our sensations, it might be words or statements. Connect with your inner prayer for a few more breaths and notice your heart is opening up. Energy flows where we bring our awareness. As we draw the hands in front of the heart, we are drawing the energies, all of that, into our soul, heart center. Let's end this prayer with one sound of Om. Exhale deep down into the roots of the earth. Take a deep breath in. Bring your Namaskara Mudra to the third eye center. Look to the sky to say Namaste to the sky of the consciousness. Bring your Namaskara Mudra to the earth, honoring all the forms of the earth, all the divinity in the forms. Bring your Namaskara Mudra once more in front of your heart. Bow in gently to honor the divine self within. Thank you for your openness. Namaste.